In this video, I'm going to show you how we can take an object and we can iterate through its properties. And we can do this from within a method in the class. We can also do it outside of the class. Alright, so let's go ahead and create a class. Let's just call this people. Alright, we're going to have a couple properties here. Let's say public, say person 1. We'll set that to Mike. Person 2, whoops. We'll set that to let's say Shelly. Public person 3, whoops. Okay, person 3 will be, let's say, Jeff. Okay, so these are all public. Now I'm also going to add, just so you can see, I'm going to add a protected for person 4, and we'll set that to, let's say, John. Alright, and then we'll do a private. So private person 5 we'll set to Jen. Okay, so if we want to iterate through these from within the class, then we'll be able to get them all. If we're outside of it, we're not going to be able to access these two in our iteration. Alright, so let's just create a method here. So we'll say function iterate object. Alright, and then in here we're going to use a for each loop. Okay, so for each, and what we have to do is put in this as key value, because we can get the key and the value here. Alright, and then what we'll do is let's print, we're going to print our key. We'll say key to the value. Alright, and let's do a little line break here. Okay, so now what we want to do is outside of the class we need to instantiate it. So let's say class, or we'll say people equals new people. Whoops. Okay, people equals new people, and then we need to call the iterate object. Alright, so let's see what that gives us. Alright, so we get person 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, so we know we can do that. Now if we want to do this from outside, let's just actually, you know what, let's comment this whole function out. Okay, and then down here we're going to do a for each. Okay, and we're going to pass in people as key value, and we want to get rid of this for now. Actually, let's just comment it out. Alright, and then in here we want to do the same thing we did here. I'm just going to copy that. Okay, and we'll go ahead and save that, and if we reload you'll see that it's giving us person 1, 2, and 3. Alright, so it's not allowed to access protected and private. Alright, if we were to change person 4 to public and we reload, then that's fine, that's going to work. Alright, because it's public. So that's object iteration. Alright, so we've talked about most of the main concepts of PHP and object-oriented programming. Now in the next section we're going to look at how we can connect to a database and do different types of interaction, add data, read, update, delete. and we're going to bring us closer to being able to build a real application, which we'll do in the last section. Alright, so I will see you in the next video.